Hello everyone, Merry Christmas! It's on Saturday the 25th. I got a present yesterday. So we got this iPhone 6 here. This is iPhone. So I mean JP16, JP, iPhone 6, 16, JB. Supported LTE, Wi-Fi. Look at this, it's great. It's iPhone Space Gray G16GB. So let's start open it. There he is. We got this iPhone 6 here. So, get this thing up. Oh, it is. That's amazing. iPhone 6 is amazing. Oh, it's amazing iPhone 6 here. Oh, that's cool. Amazing iPhone 6 here. It's amazing like this phone 6. So, you see here? There's nothing scratched and this facing. Look at this iPhone 6. You see on the face and his camera more flashing. You can sense no photos here. And there's a photo of the camera. This is the camera. Slow-mo. Time, video. Okay, use a phone when it's like this, so that's how I'm gonna get this case. So I tell you, look at this. He's on this tray here. In the charge, and there's charge headphones here. Jesus, no, say hello. Looking stickers. The amazing iPhone 6 is finally, so that's how you do. So I'll talk to you later. So have a Merry Christmas. So have fun.